Well, let's see if the swimming stuff comes in this box, because in my first box only came the regular day wear and pajamas. So let's see this. You're sleeping? Probably gonna be like a third part on this video, because I don't want to make the video too long. So if this is a new video, a third video, welcome. This video is interactive, and I am speaking with my kids. I'm interacting with my kids, and the video is gonna be probably in English and Spanish. I'm gonna be talking Spanish and English with them, because that's how we talk. Oh yes, this is the swimwear. Finalmente la ropa de nadar. Because I bought from them from this coolie bar, yeah, coolie bar on my previous video, but I still needed a few things, since we went to the beach before the virus. We went to on vacation before the virus, and all that swimming clothes don't fit anymore. Just a few rash guard shirts, if that's how it's called. They fit, but the shorts and the bottom parts, they don't fit anymore. So right now I know I spend a lot of money on this clothing, but they will be good for a few more years. So I didn't spend money on swimwear for like about 3 years, since we went to our last trip before the virus, and we have to cancel because the virus came. And so this is the first time we're gonna travel as a family to a beach destination. So that's why I'm doing all these unboxings. So let's see. Oh wow, this is a nice short. Vamos a ver. ¿Este es tuyo? Sí. Ah. So finally we found something on Hanna Anderson for you. No, I think I bought one for all of you. Oh yes, this is yours. She likes this type of shorts. Let me see. No, yeah, this is extra small women. We have to. Yeah, we bought this for my 12 years old in the adult size, and she really liked this design. I also like it because it's very colorful, and it matched with different type of shirts. Pink, yellow, red. Yeah, queda con la pink one. Green, orange, red, blue, yellow, and this is a really nice pattern. And since it's from Hanna Anderson, and they have adult clothes too. So, and it has a pocket in the back. Boys can use these shorts too. And they have the same design for women and for men. So if men want to use this, they also have available on this design for men.
Different design.
And it has this also, the shorts inside. Like, so here you go, Mama. This is yours. Since they don't have her size in Hanna Anderson, I always buy an adult size, a small or extra small. Usually extra small for my 12 years old. Here you go. And here's your bag. And I ordered another on the same design. This is another swim design. I'm not sure if it's for my 5 years old or for my 10 years old. Let me see the size. This is for... Yeah, this is 12, Mama. This is yours. Yes. I like that they have this back pocket. See, this is more like a unisex short. Men can use this, or boys. Look at this. I really like this pattern. This is like a orange or lemons. I don't know. This is nice, and it has all the colors. It has black. It has green, pink, yellow, orange, red. Wow, this is a really nice short. And oh, here are the swim shirts, the swim rash guards. This is the rash guard. And also combined with those shorts, I think. Oh my God, Perly, this is yours. This is my 5 years old swim shirt, rash guard. Y me gustan mucho estas camisas de nadar porque, wow, yes, I love Hanna Anderson swimming shirts quality, swimwear quality. The fabric is so soft and smooth. I like it. This is 6'7", but I'm sure it will fit, Mama. This is the other. This is the short I got for my 5 years old, and I was thinking of matching it with this blue. Let me show you. Ay, pero yo no sé si te va a quedar, Pepita. This is 6'7", and it matched really nicely with the blue shirt. That's why I got it, and I really like this type of shirt, and it has the pocket in the back. These are more like unisex shorts. Boys can use it. I like it. I really do. I really like it. And I got it because I wanted to combine it with the short with the blue rash guard. Here you go, Mom. And yeah, all the swimwear is in this box. Here's another one for my little one, I'm sure. I'm gonna try to do this video quicker. Oh yes, Mom. But this is a short sleeve. I wanted to get you a short sleeve one. I also got another white one, and this one is for my 10 years old. This is another rash guard. You needed a white one. And this fit good with the shorts. Look at this. It's really nice. Like as I mentioned before, the fabric is so soft and silky. I like it. I ordered the shirts, the rash guard, the swimming shirts for my kids at Hanna Anderson, and the short and leggings from Sleepwear, because Hanna Anderson doesn't have swim leggings. They only have shorts, and also they have the regular normal swimwear, like bikinis and things like that. Here you go, Mom.
Thanks.
Okay, let's hurry up. And this is another rash guard top, and this is also for you, because you didn't have enough. But I think she have all yours, right? Oh, just one? The one you were wearing right now? Okay, yeah, that's the one. Okay. This rash guard, I got it like 3 years ago from Hanna Anderson. This, my daughter used it to to show the legging from Sleepwear in my previous video. If you saw my previous video, she's wearing this with the leggings I got from Sleepwear. And you know, everyone like my 12 years old, she's been wearing this for a few years now, and now my 10 years old is wearing it, and the quality is good. The shirt, the rash guard is still in good condition, and they've been wearing them all these years. I really like it. Even the tag is good. It's not ripped. So this is old, and this is the new. And the fabrics is still good. Here you go, Mom. And here we have one more. Oh, this is the white one with long sleeve for my little one. Wow, I like it. And this is 6'7". Here you go. Here's one more. And yeah, she wanted the one, the lemon one. Yeah, this is really nice. And they didn't have, I don't know if they had a short. Yeah, they do. They do have a short with the same design. Let me show it to you. I just don't know if this short will fit my 5 years old. I think I'm gonna have to fix it for you. Like, they look a little big for you because your size here is 5, but I am ordering a big size. 1 year. Yes, we're gonna have to try it and see if it will fit. If it doesn't fit, I always sew it from here, and then it fits. This short is for unisex. Girls and boys can use it. And here is the rash guard, the swimming matching shirt, swim shirt with the shorts. It's really nice. They have the full sets. If you wanna wear it with a plain shirt, white, green, or blue, you can do it. You can buy it like that. But if you wanna buy it matching, they have the short and the matching rash guard shirt. And there's another 6, 7. So I got this for my 5 years old and another one for my 10 years old. And here are 2 more. I got 3 of the same design shorts for my girls. This is for my 10 years old. Yeah, I want them all to have the same outfit. Yeah, I really like it. I really want to see them all dressed like this. And I got the matching shirt, I think, the matching rash guard. "45 minutes. Oh, yes. But this is for you, Mama. This is yours. Esta es para mi niña de 10 años. And este es tu short. Let me see. This is the whole outfit. The short and the shirt. Este es el traje completo de camisa y short. Se va a ver como que fresa. Mi fresita. Y yo como... And let's see. What we have here. Oh, this is for, this is for you, Mom. Yes, I ordered you a few of these. Yeah, it looks a little big, but it fits. Here you go, Mom. Finally, the last one. Finally. This lemon shirt.
Everything in there.
Tú tienes una, ¿verdad? De limón. Yeah. Do you have yours from the lemons? Or oranges? Okay, so this is for my little one. Yes. Yeah, this is for my 5 years old. I don't know if this will fit, but we will. Yes. This short will combine with the white one perfectly. Sí, así va a quedar muy bien. Con el blanco. Yes. Good. Now I have everything. Now I have all outfits for my kids.
Mama.
And that's it for today. You're welcome, Mama. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.